Hey, ever found yourself curious about where those gemstones really come from? This July 2025, join us for a Tanzanian adventure led by Hubert Heldner and Kim Rix, also known as the Gemstone Detective. For 17 days, you'll roll up your sleeves and experience the life of a miner. It's sweaty, it's dirty, and it's hands-on, right alongside experienced local miners. There's no gimmicks, no tourist traps. This is the real deal. You've got options for the second week. Hang out with Kim in Embark for more digging and laid-back picnics, or join Hubert on a journey west where you'll explore more mines and soak up some local culture along the way. You'll experience everything from open cast mines to those narrow, dark underground tunnels. It's gritty, a bit claustrophobic, and there might be bugs, but that's where the magic happens. We'll spend a day at the Tanga Gemstone Market, where you can meet local miners, get your hands on some raw gems, and maybe even take a piece of Tanzania home with you, ethically sourced of course. Whether you're a seasoned gem lover or just starting out, this tour is a real down-to-earth experience. It's tough, but that's what makes it worth it. So what do you think? Ready to push your limits and find some treasures? Give Kim Rix a call. She'll help you figure out which adventure suits you best. Don't wait. Grab your spot for an unforgettable journey in Tanzania. Travel is the best way to live life to the fullest. Let's make some unforgettable memories together.